Hello, welcome to the Model I 275 walkthrough. One of the cool things with Model I is our metal exterior. So it's going to give you automotive like paint and then metal versus like a fiberglass, so it won't discolor, give you a nice high gloss shine for a long time. You can see we're about 7,500 pounds dry, just over 30 feet long, 30 feet 11 inches total length, bumper to rear wall. And when you come in, you got lots of countertop space all over here. This is going to be your dinette that pulls out. You get extra little storage underneath here, and 2 chairs store underneath the bed that are folding chairs. So the cool thing is you still get nice big living area, open space, but when you need to eat or extra countertop space for prep, you can pull that out and you have the fireplace underneath it. You got huge pantry pull-out drawers over here. Under here you got trash can. You got a place for store paper towels that you can put out on the counter, put it in here for travel. Stores away. You got nice storage space, doors, drawers. Underneath here, it's all unobstructed, so we don't have any P-traps underneath there. And this is prepped for a dishwasher. You got a nice 10 cube fridge here, opens up French door, and then you got your nice pull out freezer underneath here as well. 2 recliners here with some massive windows behind you so you can see off door side. Over here you got a nice big window there for your campsite side. And then this will fold out into a bed so you have extra sleeping space. You can still maneuver through the whole unit itself. Here you got the projector. So that's a smart projector. You can download your YouTube, Netflix, all that stuff to it and watch from there. It's viewable inside and out, really cool feature. And then you still get the big window over here like we showed before. And then we also have the chill cube. So the chill cube, it will run off of a 15 amp breaker. It is on now and we are cool and we are on turbo mode, and it'll take a second to click up. But as we're sitting here talking, I'm standing right underneath it. You can hear how quiet it is. You probably can't even hear it. It does have eco mode on here as well. You can push eco mode, and once it like cools, it'll do 75% to 50%. And it articulates and will cool this area, no problem, very efficient, and it acts as like a soft start. This floor plan, the 275, is about 7,500 pounds, still good for your half-ton trucks. It's pushing it for SUVs, but we have a model, the iX, coming out that is for that half-ton vehicle and SUVs. All right, now we're coming up into the bathroom area. You got a nice full fiberglass shower enclosure, body sprayers, nice shower heads. You got hooks in there. You got nice little storage there. You got storage up in here. Nice unobstructed pass-through or storage underneath the sink. And then as you're coming up into the bedroom, all the Model I's, you get nice big windows all the way around so you can see everything. Nice big front windshield. Your side tables lift up so you got storage underneath there. And since we don't have wardrobes on the side, you get a little hanging space down here. So it drops down in there where you got a clothes basket. Your chairs for your dinette will be stored underneath here. You got a couple extra shelves, more hanging space, more storage back up in here, drawers underneath that, more storage underneath here, and some usable functional hooks that fold down. All right, now come on down to the Model 23X. All right, so now we're at the Model 23X. We are 27 feet 11 inches and 5,700 pounds, so good towing for your SUVs, for the smaller, lighter weight vehicles. We'll start up here in the front, and you got all your disconnects. You got power, 110 here, your cable on this side, and it is heated over there with your MPPT Victron charge controller for the solar panels up on top of the roof. So you got solid steps here. You got nice hand-cooked tires, radial tires. Yeah, so you got a full-length awning, pretty much takes up the whole length of your coach. But the main thing is it's like split for the entrance, so you have full coverage over all of your campsite side. You got nice 30,000 BTU furnace in there, walking in, and then as we up here, you get nice living space, bedroom area, queen bed. You got like little storage cubbies behind the wardrobes. You got nice hanging space, drawers underneath here. You get a bamboo mattress and storage underneath here. So this will be where your chairs store. For transit, you got drawers underneath here. And then for the chairs, and this will be your dinette that pulls out. So now you have extra space there without eating up into the area to make your living space feel more open. And then you got your sofa here that will fold out into a bed. You still have unobstructed pass-through or walk-through space on here. You got all the extra pantry right when you walk in. Your control panels will be above. That's going to be your Bluetooth speaker in there. Blanked off storage for access to plumbing and stuff underneath there. Over here in the kitchen area, you got your pantry. You still get your trash can, your paper towel holder that will come out. More storage underneath here, doors and drawers, big storage, and then big unobstructed pass-through or storage underneath the sink, and then big sink with a window behind it, and some overheads over here. And then now into the bathroom, you got nice fiberglass tub surround, nice faucet for the shower head, nice storage in here with hooks and a pocket door. This is the Model 23X Model I. Thank you for watching this video. If there's more questions or anything that you're interested in, please go to BrinkleyRV.com.